Pisces, Pisces, Pisces. Knock, 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 Pisces. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. January 18. January 18, New Moon. Mayroon pong New Moon at ang message niya ay long-term goal. Long-term goal, taking responsibility para sa mga decision natin at preparation po for new growth and opportunities. Yes? So, welcome po, fellow OFW. Magandang araw, tanghali, magandang gabi kung nasaan man tayong party ng daigdig. So, sana ay more abundance for this 2026. Yes? So, simulan natin, Pisces. Pisces. What you need to know, New Moon, January 18. Yeah? So, general reading po. Kung maka-resonate, shout out po. Kung hindi, sa susunod. Another weekend, kaya chillax tayo. Relax, magkape-kape tayo. Fellow OFW, yeah? Okay. Tingnan natin. New Moon. What Pisces needs to know. Long-term goal, yeah? Yan ang message. Ano na natin yan? Ilatag natin yung ating long-term goal for 2026. Let's start the 2026 right and more positivity. Yes? Positive outlook in life. Yeah? Okay, give me one card. Tingnan natin ang storyboard ni Pisces. Pisces. Prepare for new growth. Okay? Prepare for new growth at ang mga darating na opportunities, what Pisces need to know. Preparation. Yes? Okay. Choices. 7 of Cups. Choices. Ito ba ang gusto ko? Mas magiging masaya ba ako rito? Gusto ko ba ng maraming alahas? Gusto ko ba ng recognition? Gusto ko ba ng ma-achieve yung dream ko? Or maka-discover ako ng something new relationship or anything. Choices, preparation, yeah? Long-term goal ni Pisces, maraming decision, maraming choices, which is good, yeah? So, intention, yung itinanim natin, or month, ito na yung period na kailangan natin ilista, i-prioritize, yes? Taking responsibility. There's no right or wrong po sa decision, pero we need to own that. We need to take responsibility kasi meron pong effect yan sa kaganapan noong structure ng buhay natin. Iba-iba po tayo ng ginagalawan. Yes? Okay, so we need to be to be cautious as well sa ating mga plano at mga decision making. Yes? Okay, tingnan natin, ituloy natin. Ang importante po is we take responsibility dun sa mga choices na iyon. Yeah? Okay. So, prepare for new growth and opportunities. Yeah? Tingnan natin. What Pisces fellow water sign need to know. January 18, new moon reading. What Pisces need to know? Give me one card. Give me one card. What Pisces need to know? What Pisces need to know? Ituloy natin ang storyboard. Bigyan natin ng good reading. Okay, yeah. Oh, Magician, yeah. So coming from the space na infinite possibility, kung hindi mo alam, Pisces, na you have all the tools, nandiyan yung health mo, nandiyan yung structure ng family mo which is happy, you have your support group, you have your career, you have your people surrounding you na you can grow together at opportunity to learn new things, to be independent, yeah? Kung yan ang yan ang minamanifest mo. You have all the tools, nasa kamay mo ang magiging swerte. Yes? So, lahat po tayo, meron tayong magician within us. Yes? So, kaya siguro sabi ng new moon is to take responsibility. Walang walang tama, walang mali sa desisyon, pero ano natin yan, paninindigan natin. That's how it is. Life is difficult. Life is challenging. Meron tayong responsibilidad at obligasyon sa family, sa trabaho. Kaya yung whatever decision that we have, ano yan, may impact. May impact. Tama po ba? Yeah. Okay, ituloy natin. But you have that magician in you. Yeah? Okay. So, nandiyan yung support group. Nandiyan yung 2026 mas magaang compare sa 2025. Yung bang tipong pag sumakay ka ng bus, merong magpapaupo sa'yo. Kapag medyo na-short ka, pambayad ng kuryente, yung mismo yung collector na sasabihin sa'yo, okay, sige, hindi namin puputulin po yung kuryente. Kapag tawagan nyo, magbayad na lang kayo sa opisina ng kuryente at ng tubig. Doon nyo na lang po bayaran after 3 weeks. Yung mga ganon. Okay? So, hindi physical money na babagsak, pero yung mga ganoong tipo na mas magaang, mas smooth, mas smoother compared to 2025. Yeah? Okay, ituloy natin. Ituloy natin what Pisces needs to know. Okay, ano yung minamanifest mo? Oops, sorry, bumagsak. Ayusin ko lang, lumipad yung yung card. Yeah, okay, ituloy ko lang. Ituloy lang natin Pisces. Okay. Ituloy ko lang. Sorry. Okay. So, magician, so ano yung minamanifest ni Pisces? Tingnan natin. What Pisces needs to know. Okay? Yan yung long-term goal mo. Kung you are setting your long-term goal with a lot of choices at big plans, ano natin yan. I-clarify natin. So, kuha pa tayo ng storyboard ni Pisces. Ituloy natin. What Pisces needs to know. Message, new moon, January 18. Give me one card. Winner ka na dito. May magician ka eh. Okay? What Pisces needs to know. One card. Meron kang 7 of Cups. Okay? Minsan yan, illusion lang yan. Minsan illusion or yung emotion is getting to your head and need also precaution. Oh, may tumaog. Need also precaution na to be careful on your making decision. Okay? Sinabi ko, careful. Okay? 7 of Swords, tricky. Okay? Tricky. May element na lumilitaw yan. Okay. Merong, the other sign also is showing this. Okay? So, kaya siguro ang message ng full moon para sa iyo Pisces is taking responsibility. Okay? Very powerful. Yeah, the magician. So, meaning, opportunity-wise, it flows naturally. Yes? Walang hirap. Yeah? Mag-apply ka ng trabaho, 5 in-applyan mo, magugulat ka na lang, sabay-sabay darating. Yeah? That's how it is. Yung sabi kong short ka sa pera, pambayad ng kuryente, sila na mismo ang nagbibigay ng opportunity na, okay, mo na lang, dalhin mo na lang yan sa office after 3 weeks, okay? Choices, you have a lot. That's abundance, yeah? Maganda yan, opportunity yan. But you need to be careful, okay? Meron minsan na it's not really, yung bang tipong hindi iyon ang talaga ang gusto mo na mangyari, pero yung offer is coming in a different form. Alam mo yung ganun tipo? Yung tipong, okay, trabaho, may dumating, pero may condition. Yeah? So, ganong type of setting. In-offer, pero merong string attached. Yes? Okay. Do something like that. It's not really beneficial or merong ibang personal interest yung ibang opportunity na lalatag or makikilala mo or makukuha mo. Okay? So there's no problem. You have that magic spell. You have that infinite possibility na to expand. Yes? To expand. Yes? Prepare for new growth. Yes, you're gonna get that. And the opportunities is endless. Yeah? Towards the new moon, kung yan yung itinanim mo. But you need to be careful with tricky people. Yeah? Nandiyan na yung inggit, nandiyan na yung chismis, backstabbing, and kung ano pang not so strings attached. Yeah? Okay. So, be cautious on that and use your magician power kasi alam mo yung tool. You can overcome this and you can see them. Now, Seven of Cup, illusion. Medyo emotion ka dahil water sign. So, you need to wait until the water settles down. Yeah? Di ba pa kapag yung tubig naulan malabo? Yeah, okay. You need to settle it down first. Hintayin na siya, mawala yung dumi para makita mo yung nasa ilalim. Yung what's underneath. Yeah? Yung hindi lang yung sa surface yung makikita mo, kundi yung nasa ilalim. Yeah? So that's how deep this one, yung message niya. Okay? Medyo a little abstract. Okay? Intuition also. Use that one. Yeah? You're a water sign. I-tune up mo yung antenna mo. Okay? Seven of Swords, tricky, pero at the same time, it's about strategy. Estratehiya para yung resulta is favorable to you. Okay? So, tuloy natin. Let's see what Pisces needs to know. Ituloy natin storyboard. Okay. So, new moon message to Pisces. Okay? Prepare for new growth, no problem. Makikita mo yan, babagsak sa'yo. Makukuha mo. Oops. Opportunity, no problem. Yeah? Medyo you're gonna meet some tricky people. One card. Give me blind spot. Blind spot. What Pisces needs to know. January 18. One card, one card, one card. One card lang. Pisces. Pisces, Pisces. Pisces, Pisces. One card. Blind spot, blind spot. What Pisces needs to know. What Pisces needs to know. Bigyan mo ako isang card, isang card, isang card. Oops. Isang card. Ayaw. May hangover yata si Pisces. Yeah? Okay. See? Crossroad. Okay? Meron kang choices dito. I do not know kung ano itinanim mo. Kung itong itinanim mo na ito, dependent ito sa prior months. Okay? 7 months ago, you planted seed. You planted your intention. You expect something to come out. Yeah? Resulta, definitely, meron kang itinanim, meron kang aanihin, at meron tayong desisyon. Now, you're in the stage towards January 18 or message ng new moon. Pag dumating na yung choices, you have to make a decision. Ngayon, use your intuition to absorb crossroad. Yes? And this is indecision. Yes? This is indecision. Use your intuition. Sinabi ko na yan kanina. Headspace, to absorb. Headspace, isip lang yan. Disconnect, emotion. Wait until, okay, new moon. Yeah? There's a new moon here. It's not big as what you think. Kung ano yung problema. Okay? This might be related to the Seven of Swords here. Meron kang ginawa na you ended up in something uncomfortable. Yeah? Merong nangyari na something uncomfortable na you gonna ended up on this crossroad. You gonna start asking question, bakit ganun kaya ito? Bakit ganun ang naging resulta? Hindi ito yung ina-expect ko na result. Again, ito yung tricky, okay? Ito yung tricky. There's a string attached here. Parang cobwebs, yeah? Yung sabot ng gagamba, merong sanga-sangang ganyan, yeah? So, you have to navigate kung ano yung tamang direksyon na pupuntahan mo to go to the end or the bottom of it. Sinabi ko na kanina, hintay mo mag-settle yung tubig na malabo para makita mo yung beneath the surface, kung ano yung nandun sa ilalim noong tubig. Yeah? So, very deep ito, very deep ito. I can sense it. Very deep ito. Anong situation ito? This is very deep. Pisces. Ha? Very deep. Okay. Ituloy natin. Okay. Ituloy natin. What Pisces need to know. Okay? Prepare for new growth. If this is related dun sa plano mo or opportunity or trabaho or anything to that effect, wait for that clarity, okay? Wait for that clarity. I just want to get one more blind spot. Ano, what is the situation? What is the situation mo? One blind spot. Okay, Pisces. Yeah. Iba yung tingin ko sa magician na ito. Iba yung tingin ko sa magician na ito. Nasa ano siya, nasa web of ano siya, parang web of alam mo yung parang crypto na layer, underneath that layer there's another layer. Parang coding ng ano ito ng algorithm. Okay, yeah. Nine of Swords, yes. Stressful. Meron kang problema. Is it related to the choices na nasa harapan mo or yung ginawa mo? Taking responsibility. There's no right or wrong, okay? Okay, Knight of Wands. Kunin ko siya, okay? Are you dealing with somebody born under the horse sign? Okay? Again, 2026 is fire horse. Mabilis magdesisyon, mabilis tumakbo, mabilis mawala yung appetite, mabilis manawa, mabilis mag-say ng yes at go, go, go. Okay? So, precaution, okay? Keep that inspiration, yeah? Passionate ka, Pisces. Itong nakikita ko, okay? Passionate in a sense na if you want to achieve something, gusto mo ng 2 weeks ago ang resulta. Yes? Now, merong decision kang ginawa in the past na nagkaroon ka ng complication. This is a complication na nakikita ko. If you're dealing with somebody na pinanganak under the horse Chinese sign horoscope ng year of the horse, or you're gonna meet somebody in that year, yes, who can help you to navigate yung situation, yeah, or magbibigay sa iyo pa ng answer or solution or inspiration. It can be either one of them. Somebody in the year of the horse, kung nawawala yung passion mo, kasi namumroblema ka rito, parang you all of a sudden, when you feel overwhelmed by the situation, minsan nagiging stuck tayo, yeah? Natatakot tayo. Dahil, sabihin na lang natin sa negosyo, or merong kontrata na isinign, tapos, hindi dumarating yung bayad o yung pera. So, kailangan mo magbayad ng kuryente, ng empleyado, etc. down the line, ng taxes, ng buwis, etc. Ngayon, wala ka ng pondo para ituloy pa yung kung ano man yung proyektong ginagawa mo, yeah? Nagkaroon pa ng halimbawa ng tagbaha, Ngayon, yung mga empleyado hindi makapasok. Yung mga ganon, samot-samot, you ended up in a crossroad and choices, anong dapat mong i-priority. Hawak mo yung magic wand mo as the magician, you have the tools. Alam mo kung paano laruin yung chess. Yeah? Alam mo kung paano i-move forward. Pero merong tricky at merong complication na nangyari. Yes? Maaring yung bangko, inautangan mo, nagsara. Maaring yung isang empleyado nagnakaw. Maaring yung isang manager nagkaroon ng love affair, nagkaroon ng conflict of interest. Yan. That's how it is. That's tricky it is. Or ikaw ang nagkaroon ng conflict of interest sa iba. Yes? Ngayon, yung decision mo nahilaw kasi meron kang maapektuhan, meron kang matatapakan, meron kang masasaktan, at meron kang i-terminate. Yes? That's a crossroad. Naguluhan ka kasi ang priority mo lang naman, as simple as that, is makabayad ng kuryente dun sa opisina. Yeah, that's only the problem. But you created a lot of complexities na nawawala yung inspirasyon mo now na you just want to give up. I can smell na nasa crossroad ka. Okay? Keep that fire burning. Night of Wands, merong message. Yes, message. Somebody pinanganak sa year of the horse or a fire sign na it's either Sagittarius. Most likely it's Sagittarius. Yes, kung meron kang placement niyan, keep that 1, 2, 3, 4 Ace of Wands and your inspiration sa belly mo. Kung ano yung naging issue, mayroong pinanggalingan nito, may pinaghuhugutan, buhayin mo pa. Yeah, it's not the end of the world. Nasa iyo pa rin yung nasa iyo pa rin yung power, nasa iyo pa rin yung magic, nasa iyo pa rin yung charm, nasa iyo pa rin yung um, ultimate endless possibility. Yes, hawak mo siya. Yung problema ka lang, it's a minor setback. Nakikita ko rito, there's nothing to be fear of. Yeah? Okay? So there's nothing to be fear of. I-apply nyo po yan sa situation ninyo. Now, if this is your long-term goal, you need to take responsibility here kasi pinasok mo itong situation na ito. Yeah? Moving forward, January 18, prepare for new growth. This is expansion. This is expansion and this is opportunity. Hindi ka nagdesisyon somewhere in the past na makakarating ka dito into a complex, challenging situation now kung hindi ka minsan nangarap itong Pisces na nasa harapan ko to move forward to that direction. Yeah? News is coming. You don't need to worry. Okay? You don't need to worry. Nagwo-worry ka dito. Understandable. Kasi merong fear. May fear. Curious lang ako kay Pisces, ano itong situation na ito? Okay? Kung makaresonate po, shout out. Kung hindi po, wag pilitin. So, iba-iba po tayo ng situation, ng background at pinanggalingan, pero you are in the web. Parang sapot ng gagamba itong napasukan mo na ito. And you want to get away, you want to get out of that. Okay. One more blind spot, Pisces. One more blind spot. Okay. One more blind spot. One more blind spot. Give me blind spot. Pisces, blind spot. Oops. Okay. One more blind spot. One card lang. Bigyan natin ng good reading para makaalis si Pisces dito sa fear niya at makapag-decide siya. Yeah, okay. Oh, Four of Cups. Nabore ka, hindi iyon ang ayaw mo ng mediocre, okay? Ayaw mo ng mababaw, ayaw mo ng substandard, alam mo yung kalidad ng gusto mo, alam mo yung hinahanap mo, at alam mo yung values mo. Understandable, yeah? Kung gusto mong mas mamahaling wine, ayaw mo ng mumurahin, ayaw mo ng boring, understandable. Gusto mo ng high performance na kotse, understandable. Ayaw mo ng mumurahing gadget, understandable. Okay? Nando ka sitwasyon. Siguro yun ang dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ka ng issue dito. Okay? Expectation. Yeah? This is about expectation. Hindi na-meet yung standard mo. Okay? Kuha pa ako rito. Okay, tingnan natin. Tignan natin ang message pa kay Pisces. Okay? Long-term goal. This is long-term goal. Mukhang this will open up for you to a bigger growth and expansion. Yeah? One more card. One more card. One more blind spot. One more blind spot. Pisces. Pisces. January 18. Okay. Pisces. Pisces. One more blind spot. One more blind spot. What Pisces need to know? What? Ayusin ko yung camera po. Yeah. What Pisces need to know? Okay. May tricky crossroad na problema. Pero, buhay pa rin yung inspirasyon. Year of the Horse kung meron ka, or fire sign na connected sa iyo is either Sagittarius or a Leo or an Aries. Pero most likely it's a Sagittarius. Now, ayaw mo ng substandard. Yeah? Ayaw mo ng pichi-pichi. Yung expectation mo hindi na meet. But you have all the tools. Winning ka. You have the Magician. You're manifesting big. Big time na. You are surrounded by some people na it's not on the same feather and the same mindset. Mataas yung kalidad ng hinahanap mo. Okay? Kaya ka nagkaroon ng choice. Yeah? Okay. Yeah, Four of Swords. Okay? Literally, ipahinga mo. Towards beginning of January, you will get that answer. I'll give this a time frame. First quarter of 2026. You're gonna have that answer. Kasi may choices ka rito. Or, you're gonna makikita mo yung clarity, yung ilalim ng surface. Yeah? Okay. Four of Swords, headspace, na problema ka. So, practical advice is just to disconnect. Have a reset. Kung nasaktan ka, or clear your head. Yeah? Ngayon, balik ako dito. Kuha lang ako ng hugutin natin yung conclusion. Kung tignan natin yung outcome. Okay? One more card. Blind spot. Tignan natin. Paano niya malulusutan ito? Malulusutan mo ito. There's no problem on this. I don't see anything to worry. Nag-worry ka lang dito. Nag-worry ka. Nasa stage ka. Dahil Pisces, water sign. So, yung emotion sometimes kicks in, lalo kapag it's a complex issue. Work or family, it's always the same. Mas sticky at medyo complex if it's a family matter. Yeah? Ito yung tipong pinag-aawayan yung mamanahin. Ito yung tipong nakipag-divorce at may settlement, kung kanino mapupunta yung bahay at lupa, or sino ang magbabayad ng pag-aaral, at sino ang how do you call it, kanino titira yung mga anak. Yeah, this is big. Ganun po yan. Ano pa ang big dito? Yung settlement sa divorce, and if there's halimbawa, alam niyo po yung nagnakaw ng malaki sa kumpanya, and there's intellectual property involved. Yeah? Mga ganun po yan. Okay. Okay, Seven of Pentacles. Okay. Continue working on it. Yeah? Kaya sinabi ko, bigyan ko ng timeline yung resulta, first quarter at the most early part ng second quarter. Kung ano yung solution na hinihintay mo rito, keep building your plan and your strategy. Again, sasabihin ko, taking responsibility at long-term goal ang message ng new moon, strategize, okay? May tricky people. You have that magician in you to fix the problem. Itong web of problem na napasukan mo, anuhin mo siya, himayin mo pakonti-konti, yes? So that's how Seven of Pentacles is. It's about patience, perseverance, yeah? Alam niya kung paano magtatanim at kailang aanihin. The same also with solving the problem. Himayin mo yung issue at bago mo makita yung solution, yeah? Hinuhukay niya yung solution here. Yes, alam niya. Alam niya kung paano kailan siya magtatanim ng buto para umusbong at alam niya kung paano tatanggalin yung damo to clear that farm. Yes? So, proseso yan. The same also to this problem of how you're gonna resolve that issue at challenges. It's not a quick fix. Yeah? I'll be honest. Hindi ko na po isu-sugarcoat ito, Pisces. Yung pinasukan mo, it's so complex that, okay, first quarter, medyo you need to put a little effort. Yeah? A little effort, pero you're gonna get that help and there's a message coming. Message most likely will be coming on the new moon by January 18 on or before. It will give you that clarity to decide and to choose kung anong direction ang pipiliin mo. Yeah? And then, tsaka ka mag-alchemy. Yes? Hindi mo pa nakikita yung nasa ilalim noong tubig. Hintayin mong lumiwanag. Yes? Wait for that message. It's coming fast towards 18. Pero yung situation nito, yung solution, yung mas malaking issue, it will be resolved. You can get that answer. Pero hindi ganun ka-resolve na matatanggap mo yun. Most likely first quarter, yeah? After ng full moon. Pero you're gonna have the offer na hinahanap mo na yung quality at kalidad na para sa iyo at nararapat sa iyo. Yeah? And that's your abundance. Kung yan ang long-term goal mo. So you need to take responsibility of what happened here. Yes? May itinanim ka rito. So your expansion will come after that. After you receive the news, you can decide. Yeah? Okay. Beautiful read. This is still a beautiful reading. Medyo heavy ito, Pisces. Curious lang ako, ano itong pinasok mo rito. Okay? Like what I said, ano po ito? Big issue, family issue, yung mana, ganyan po yan. Pinagtatalunan. Divorce, settlement, may kasamang anak, kung saan pupunta. Ano pa ba? Real estate problem or kumpanya na merong ninakaw, na merong kasamang intellectual property. Yeah? Yung mga ganun po yan. That's how heavy it is. May sanga-sanga. Okay? Hindi lang po ito yung kumpanya kailangan magbayad ng kuryente. Yeah? Yung kuryente, isang effect lang po ng higher, bigger challenge at problem na ginawa ni Pisces. But you are the magician. Okay? Wait for that. Wait for that message. Okay? Kasi nandiyan ito, ayan, Knight of Wands. Keep that inspiration active, okay? Huwag pang hinaan. And then you can make the decision, you have the clarity, makikita mo yung nasa ilalim no, beneath the surface, and then you can do the alchemy. Strategize. Yeah? Okay. So magpapakapi ka, Pisces. Curious lang ako, ano po ito? Ano po ito? Okay? So, one moon oracle, Pisces. Okay. One moon oracle, Pisces. Maya, magkape-kape po tayo. Okay, tatlo yung binigay. Basahin natin. Okay. So, Aquarius, sabi dito, the time is ripe for celebrating life. Make the most of parties, gatherings, and other social opportunities. Yeah? Okay. Advanced reading po ito. So, towards New Year. Yeah? So, magpahinga ka, physical rest, and yeah, go out with people. You might pick up something. Baka doon mo makita tong message na ito. Night of One, Year of the Horse, ipinanganak siya, or a Sagittarius. Yeah? Connect those. Meron ka mapipick up. Yeah? Antenna mo, magician ka. Gemini, dealing with Gemini, sabi niya, stress may be an issue during this time. Yeah? Stress, yeah? Oh, ano yung stress? Yeah, ito meron kang ginawa eh. Hindi ko na i-deep dive. But it's on your head also. Everything. Air sign, Gemini, headspace, magpahinga. Four of Swords. Pahinga, pahinga. Scorpio, water sign. Kamukha mo rin water sign. Sabi dito, negative attitudes and fiery arguments are possible at this time. Channel your energies into positive physical activities like decorating or gardening. Yeah? Okay. Ito yan. Okay? Literally ko na lang sasabihin. Okay? Get out and go and connect with nature. Yes? Okay. Nature, di po ba proseso yan? Bago na mulaklak, nagtanim ng punla, hindi ganun kadali. Yes? It's a process. So that's something that wisdom na rin siguro ng new moon. Yes? Long-term goal, and it's a process. Believe in the process. Yung problemang pinasok mo, hindi malulusutan, but it takes time and process. So, physical activity, siguro i-ano mo to, preparation mo for new growth and opportunities. You need that physical strength also, because this is something big. Okay? It's transformative. It's transformative. Like what I said, ito yung mga tipong pinaghati-hatian yung mana, nag-divorce, may settlement, merong ninakaw sa opisina o ninakaw sa iyo na it's intellectual property kasama, may kasamang may malaking impact yan, yeah? So you need to connect and with nature siguro, and understanding na it's a process, but you will come out victorious, yeah? Hawak mo yung tools, hawak mo, nasa kamay mo yan, mag-alchemy ka, Pisces. Yeah? Okay. So, yeah, salamat po. January 18, new moon reading. So, sana nag-enjoy ka, Pisces. Salamat and see you again.